So we're on the Jopix CB413 as an on-the-air test. We're plugged into the roof aerial through the TNC connector. So I don't want any comments about you haven't got an aerial plugged in. Because some of those sets with the umbilical connector underneath, people have said that. So I'll unplug it from the charger, otherwise we're going to get interference. It's fully charged. Switch it on. Is Mr. Chippie out there? We won't be on channel 19, will he? And hopefully we're on squelch setting 1. So I think we do that. So what do? Press function. Yeah, squelch level 1. That's fine. Roger bleep off. How do we get out of that? Press PTT. So, we'll give it a whirl. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Oh.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger on the Jopix CB413, and we're recording.
Yep, roger that. Just come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. So if you looked at the previous video, we didn't know what mic fits this. It certainly wasn't the spacing for the Maxon one. The 3.5mm jack is the loudspeaker, and the 2.5mm one is the microphone, but it isn't the right spacing from our Maxon one. So it won't be the Kenwood one because that's the other way around. So there you are. Perhaps they have one, or perhaps President did when they did it, or perhaps Capo have one.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station.
Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that.
I love the phrase square wheeled. I use it on amateur radio. Even though I was an amateur 2 years before CB even came to the UK. It's a lovely phrase.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill. I'll be leaving this on auto squelch.
Yeah, roger that.
Roger got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Jopix hand portable, plugged into the roof aerial. It's doing a full 4 watts over.
Roger that, I'll receive.
Roger. Well, that was alright. As you could tell, the squelch just cut in and out a bit there, but I didn't override it. Roger got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger got you at the Kelby turn. Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. So I did just override the squelch there when I heard him chopping through. That's our worst one. It's surrounded by trees. So the next one will be Rawsby level crossing, which will be the 6 mile point, and it should be a little bit better. Roger on that, Mr. C. That concludes the test. Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
10-10. Okay, again I had to override the squelch when I heard him chopping through. on that 6 mile point at Rawsby stroke Greyleys level crossing. So yeah, it works fine, it works as you would expect. We're doing, remember this is on battery, we're not got it on an external power supply. It's done the 6 miles. We'll be doing a field test in due course, though we've got a few others in the queue. We'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like on that internal microphone.
Tango 21 testing the Jopix CB413 and portable. That's into our Harris CBHQ base station, and I've switched on the Roger bleep. As ever, thanks for watching.